Well, the system we're going to provide you is basically a sales funnel, which is just basically a methodology for people to join a list, and then what we call a sequence of emails that go out automatically, scheduled, so that you don't have to really even do anything other than import the sales funnel into your system and get it going. And so we'll show you that, and then we'll show you how to set things up in the next couple of videos. But I wanted to give you first a quick overview of exactly how this is going to work. So in order for you to do this, the first thing you need is a sales letter, which is the offer which we call push button email marketing. It's the very same product you bought. You're going to sell it and make 50% commission on it. In this section, we'll show you how to sign up for the affiliate program so you can get paid 50% commission on everything you sell. Okay, so you need to have that. So you'll go sign up for your affiliate program and you'll get a link. That's the link you'll use in our system. The second thing you'll do is you're going to need to have a landing page where leads will go to, and then a sequence of emails to go out every day or so. This literally happens automatically once you start feeding leads into your system. You don't even have to hit the send button. Now the sequence we're going to provide you is 9 emails, so it's 9 days of emails. Now why 9 days of emails? Marketing has said that it usually takes several touches before a person makes a buy. And usually it's 6 to 9 touches. Each email that goes out is called a touch. So it's important, A, that we get the emails that are sent by our system into their inbox, and we'll take care of that for you by showing you how to do this. And B, that they be really high quality emails so they'll elicit a response so you can get a commission. You can get one the same first day. It happens to me all the time. So what's going to happen is your traffic source, which we're going to provide you the training and how to set that all up in the next section, is going to drive leads to your sales funnel, what's called a landing page. That landing page has got a name, an email address. That's all it asks for. Just 2 boxes. Now, they're fancy landing pages, and we're going to provide you multiple different versions. We'll teach you how to pick which one you want to use and that sort of thing. In all honesty, the traffic source that you have coming in is going to convert about 50%, so it's not a big problem what your landing page looks like, but sometimes you need to change things up, so we'll show you how to do that. And we'll actually give you a choice of which landing page you want to use. You just got to drag and drop it to which order you want to use them. So it's really just as a matter of taking and driving this traffic to the landing page and let the email follow up. And then this basically provides resources to increase your traffic. And at the end of the day, your profits start to pile up very nicely. So now one thing I want to point out, I call this a landing page. It's also called an opt-in form. It's also called a squeeze page. It's also called a lead generation form. There's a lot of different names for it, but what it really is just a page, a web page that we built for you that you can drive traffic to, and it captures their name and email address. This is the important aspect of it that you got to be concerned about. These emails, now, I mean, I'm in the email business, so people come to me all the time, well, can I get your swipe? Can I get your swipe? I don't usually give it away, but I'm giving away you 9, as part of your purchase, you're getting 9 emails built specifically to promote and sell push button email profits so you can start generating those commission checks. And it happens quickly if you set it up and use the traffic system that we got for you. So that's how this works. The next video is going to show you how to build this entire sales funnel out. And it's a matter of literally taking a line of code that we're going to provide you, copying it and pasting it into our system, and then activating it. All right, check out the next video.